Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. If you're watching on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're on Rumble, please give us a follow. So this is our second kick at the can this morning. The phone battery died. First time out. Yeah. Oh, these raspberries are coming in. Just eating them off the bush now. Seeing as I've made all the jam I want to make this year, if I had a salad, I'd throw some of these berries in. I'm gonna have to come out here and pick berries. There's no way I can eat them all. Well, guess if you really wanted to try those new potatoes and see what they're like, we'd dig in the compost pile and dig up those potatoes that grew sprouts and see what they did. Well, our first pepper plants have yet to actually produce peppers. This one has just started. Okay, not fully grown, almost there. This one's nothing. Not that I mind, because I always purchase a bunch of discount pepper plants like these here. The ones that nobody wants to buy at the end of the spring season. I just pick them for next to nothing, and I always get peppers. And I have been using them in my canning. I've already been through here once, scraped off some more vine borer eggs, those squash beetles, and they've been mostly concentrating on the zucchini. And I am just tickled pink this morning. There are so many pollinators flying around. It's like a honey beehive must have found my garden, because they are just all over. Oh yeah, look at you. Huh? Bloody things. Is he even munching on the plant? Like, I don't know. Or is he just hanging out? I don't think they really know what the hell they're doing. They have all this new fauna that they've discovered that's not native to their origin. I've already picked one zucchini this morning to add to the only other zucchini I currently have. Not enough to can. Others are coming in, maybe tomorrow. But today will be another turmeric spray after the rain comes. 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms this morning. And I think I'm feeling it in the air. I think it's out there. Our beans are not performing as well as last year. Only a couple of handful of beans so far. Not enough to pickle. You can see, yeah, we got a few more. And a few more here. That's it. Typically, I mean, I gotta grow the provider next year's, because they should be up to here by now. But these are not really vine growth. These are more like bush growth. Oh well. So our potatoes have already been sprayed this morning. And I can see the black flea beetles coming back. Nothing I can do. It'll be soon time to harvest these potatoes. If I want to put in a second crop for the year, to harvest in October. But it is only the middle of July. What is this, episode 57? Yeah. On the way up to 100, baby. Oh. Well, and it is also time to harvest these onions on the other end. After the rain, the soil will be nice and loose and wet. I can just suck them right out of the soil. Now, I have 2 other squashes, zucchinis, that accidentally found themselves into the squash box when I planted the seeds. It's my fault for not labeling the seed bags properly. So, it's given me 1 zucchini already, and not another one. And the other zucchini plant, here you go, pollinators. Yeah. And the other zucchini plant, well, geez, look at all the leaves. So, do we have zucchini? Zucchini? No? No zucchini. A lot of flowers. Come on, let's do this properly. I've been so fortunate to be out here at the right time to catch these vines. Make sure that they climb. What have we got in there? Not eggs. Good. No. Yeah, the flowers. I've never seen the leaves fold back like that. I wonder if that's the reaction to the bees coming in. Well, it's good news all around. This might be our first zucchini right here. Squash. Jesus, I get these names right. Yeah. Ooh. It's amazing how the plant can just maintain that weight. Doesn't work with pumpkins though, I'll tell you that. They get too heavy and they just drop right off. All right, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. Well, every year the plant does this. Tries to propagate. And these bloody things grow everywhere. You don't need to water them. And they will fill up a space with some nice green color. And they are so, look at it, they're so tightly packed. No weeds can grow in there at all. So off to the garden box. Our lavender, doing quite nice. Our other giant sunflower, coming along fine. The pumpkin plant is doing okay. But you can tell that this one here, being more closer to the edge of the box and a lot more sun, look at the size of the leaves. Just gotta make sure that this doesn't choke out the other plants. Oh, flowers have started. The other one in the corner in the back, still coming along. Our other lavender plant. Oh, doing okay. Well, let's get in there. Well, look, it still has left the plant alone as I keep pushing the morning glories away from that plant. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Oh, look at here. See? Yeah. Not today, little fella. Not today. What do we got? Oh, you are the other plant. Okay. Yeah. So there's another little skinny sunflower right next to it. I don't know if it's gonna make it. And of course our morning glories. Just best growth ever and fastest. Usually I don't get this kind of coverage until well, another couple of weeks. Now we'll see how soon the flowers start coming out. And our poor little bird shit berry bush is done. Not too many berries left on this thing. In fact, looks like all the berries are ripe. What few of them are remaining. Oh my. Well, I don't want to spoil my second breakfast. Oh, come on. Let's go. Get in there. There we go. Yes, there's nothing quite like just walking out in your garden, grabbing food right off of it, and eating it. I look forward to this all year. These are the best times, people. As best as they're gonna get. Well, if you hung out to the end, thank you so much for coming along, and we'll see you next time.